Hello everyone, welcome back, and this is Naveen from UiBrains. So in this video, we are going to discuss about some of the different console log statements. So in the last video, we have discussed about a basic console log, right? There are different console log statements are there. So first, I'll tell you. The very first one is log message, and there is info message, and there's a warning message, and there is error message, and we also table message. Okay. So what are all this? Actually, whatever the text or the message if you want to display on the console, so we have categorized, the JavaScript has categorized these messages into various categories. Okay, so if you want to display a basic log message, you can go for log. If you want to display some important message, you can go for info. And if you want to display some warning message on the console, just to identify what type of message it is. Okay, is it error or is it warning or what? Is it normal console.log or what? So warning message, we can write one, and error message dot error, and table. You can even display data in a table format. So there are different types of messages to be displayed in a console. So let's start with these things. And each message will have a display also in a differently in different browsers. So let's see how it looks like. So first of all, I want to display log message. And what is this is a comment. Same you know HTML comment and CSS comments, right? Same like this. This is JavaScript comment single line. If you want to write multi-line comments slash star, you can write like this. So this is like multiple lines comments. Okay. So for single line, double slash in a JavaScript comments. Okay. Fine. Now first console log. So console.log. I just make it I am a log message. So here you can write either single quotes or double quotes, your wish, log message. So way to see the output, you have to open this HTML in the browser, and that console window you can see the output. So I have opened the HTML here, right click, inspect, console. I got a welcome to log message from line number 4. Fine. Next, I want to display information message. So I write console.log I am an information message. Information message. So this it's not log, sorry, it's info. So this is going to be the information message. And don't write message colon. It is actually coming automatically from my editor. So we just have to write normal text like this. Okay, never write message colon. It's not being written. It is coming automatically. Okay, so please note that. Console.info. This write a statement. Okay, so we got information statement. So we don't have any difference between these two. Okay, maybe in the browser, Chrome browser, there is no difference of showing it. Fine. Next, warning message. If you want to display some warning message from JavaScript program, we can write a console dot warning. So I am a warning message. Okay, save it. Go check. See, warning message. You got some exclamation symbol, so you can easily identify it is a warning from the program, right? Next, another one. Danger. I think it's error. It's console dot error. So I am an error message. Okay, just check. See, error message you got in a red color. Okay, you can easily identify, yes, it is error message. Okay, next we have a table. What is this table is console.table, but we can't display a normal text like a table. If you can have an object, we can display like a table. As of now, don't worry what is object, just see what I'm writing. If I say let students is equal to an object, inside I write name colon Rajan, age 22, and the course some CSC. Okay, I have an object, so don't worry what is this object and all. But just for example of table, I'm showing it. We'll discuss these things in a future. Okay. So if you want to display the students, I can write console.table student. So it will display in a table format. See, you got a nice table. Okay, name Rajan, age 22, and course is CSC. This is called console.table. Okay, fine. So first we have to understand, sir, what is this console, what is log? Officially, console is called as an object. Okay, and this is a function. So this is a message, and this is called end of the statement. So this is a complete instruction or the statement to the JavaScript engine which is running in the browser, stating that, hey, please display this message, log message in the console window. So it display log message. If I say info, it display info message. So if you write one, so this will display as a warning message on a console like this. If you write error, the same message is going to display in a error format here. Okay, fine. So same here, I write console.table student. So student will display as a table format here. So which format you want to display and where to display. So on the console window, table format students like this. So these are the instructions. And if you write console.error, you write. So what happened? Student object will display in a, see, reddish color background. Okay, so like that. If I say warn, what happened? Student will display in a warning message like that. Okay, so I want display in a table format. So it's a table, fine. And one more thing is the JavaScript program we are running on a Chrome. So Chrome is having a different JavaScript engine that's called V8 engine. So in Chrome browser, we have a JavaScript engine that's called V8 engine. So this is the engine which is inbuilt in your browser and that understands your JavaScript programs and execute on the console. Same like that. If you can choose any other uh, browser called Firefox. Okay, so Firefox is given by the company. I'll write like this. This is given by the company called Google, right? And this is given by the company called Mozilla. And here using an engine called Spider Monkey. So this is actually the engine name inside of the browser. And we have Internet Explorer that is given by the Microsoft. So they have another engine called Chakra. Chakra. The engine name is called Chakra. So each browser, if you execute a JavaScript program, you may see the slight difference in the outputs because each browser will be having a different engine internally, and each engine is developed by different type of companies. So let me do one thing. I am executing in a Chrome. Let me copy the same URL. Let me open a Firefox. If I open a Firefox, I think it's not there. Oh, I have not installed Firefox. Fine. Let me check in Internet Explorer. Edge. I'm just showing in Edge. Here, I will paste it. I'll paste. Enter. Okay. So I got HTML open. Let me right click. Let me right click. Reload. 1 minute. Close again. Edge. Let me paste it. Right click. You don't have an option for maybe they have removed it. I can do one thing. I can do press F12. Okay. So press F12. You will get the console window. You can check the console. See, you have a different set of message. Log message is like this. Information message, blue color with circle. Warning message, error message. Okay, so it's print actually 2 times. Yeah, no happy. See, log, information, warning, error, and table. So here it display the table in different format. No value has come actually. Property has come. Okay, so this is actually different browsers. So why I have showed this in a different browser is every browser will be using a different engine of JavaScript, so that will display differently. But slight difference in display, but ultimately the same answer will be coming in every browsers. Okay, fine. So this is a very basics about the writing a program in JavaScript. And the next video we'll see how to declare a variables in JavaScript. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.